Hello everyone. Bubble just released padding, and I thought I'd make a quick tutorial and explain the differences between padding and margin and how it makes it quite easy to build layouts. The padding section is all the way over here, okay, beneath margins. Now, previously, if we wanted to make a simple kind of login card, we had to make a group, and either we could make margins at the top, left, right, margins, 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 lots of margins used in many elements, or we had to make another group that captured all of these and add margin in one place, so an inner group in a sense. So there are two ways to come up with this layout. Now with padding controls, if you click, all you have to do is just add padding, and it's going to squish all the inner elements on the inside. So if I remove padding, this is what the group looks like. Quite strange looking. But instead of adding margins, if I add margins here, it's going to have a different effect. I can kind of achieve the same effect as the top one, but it's just tedious and laborious. And if I add another inner group, which is also possible, it's also another like an extra element. But now with padding, all I have to do is just that's a margin. Okay, add padding at the top, left, right, bottom, and I have the same result. So it's much easier this way around. I think I have 30 instead of 20. So it's much easier with padding, and it opens up all sorts of interesting use cases. And you can add a conditional on current page width and just tune padding itself rather than tune is less than, I don't know, 760. And it just tune the top left padding if you want to kind of like do responsive layouts instead of applying a conditional on all the elements or the inner group. You can just apply a one conditional on the top group and tune the padding, and it should be like much easier to work with now. All right, hope that was useful. Thank you very much. Bye.